In this video, I would like to show you about MySQL CRUD. I also want to show you how you can make database and tables with Python code. First, in Pycharm, you can switch from PowerShell to command prompt. You can install MySQL connector Python module to connect with MySQL. If I click enter, it says it's already satisfied because I have already installed it before. I'll import the module I installed. To connect with MySQL, you may need host, user, and password. I'll use mysql.connector.connect. Inside that, I will type host. Host would be localhost in this case. User is root in this case. Given the password you have set in MySQL, I can also put in the database I want to connect with. I haven't made peopledb yet. Declare your cursor variable. We'll use execute from cursor. Within the parameters, I'll pass in a command to create a database. I'll comment this and run the program to create this database. If I go to MySQL Workbench and click here, you can see peopledb has been created. Next, I will create a table. I will comment this because I have already created my database. I will again use cursor.execute. Within the parenthesis of execute, I will say to create a table. I'll state the name of the table, which is peopledb in this case. I'll set multiple columns and their value types. My database and table is ready. Now I'll start doing CRUD. I'll write a MySQL query for inserting data. I've set the column names and which table. I'll again use the execute. First parameter is the insert query. I'll put record in the second parameter. Finally, call commit. If I run the code now, I have added some more data in the same way. Since I'm done with that, I will comment it. Now I want to select data or read data. For that, I wrote a query that says select all from peopledb. I'm putting the read query inside execute. After that, I'm using fetch all. I'm putting the values into the result. I'll now print the result. You can see 3 tuples here. To make it look nicer, I'll do some things with the for loop. Now maybe it is better. I have commented these things because I'm done with reading data. I wrote a update query that says update people TV set name city age with certain values where ID is 4. I put the query inside execute and I called commit. I'll run it. It seems nothing got updated because there's nothing where ID is 4, so I'll change it to 3 and run it again. When I check it, it seems the third row has been updated. Now I want to delete a data where ID is 2. I'll run the code. Oh, it seems I have mistakenly put the right spelling. I'll run the code again. If I check in MySQL, the row with ID2 is gone.